Today we're going to make a spinach salad. Now spinach is a wonderful green for this time of year. Here it is winter going into spring. Spinach is loaded with nutrition and has a lot of wonderful properties. So we're going to make a salad with this. Now today I used about 5 ounces of spinach, about the amount you would get in one of the plastic containers, or you can get it out of your garden. Either way. So I'm going to dice this apple that I've already cut up into quarters. I'm going to just dice it and we're going to add that to the salad. Quickly just dicing the apple so that it's in bite-sized pieces. And I do leave the peel on. I feel like there's fiber and nutrition in the peel, so I don't peel the apple before I throw it into the salad. You can if you want. I just don't usually peel the apples. And as you can see, this is not a real time-consuming process. Just really quick, which is one of the reasons salads are so wonderful. I'm going to add pecans and onions. This is a red onion that I've sliced on the mandolin. It's completely optional. If you don't care for onions, don't add it to the salad. But we love onions, and they are a wonderful probiotic food to use in your diet and help you have a healthy gut. So that's the red onion. Then I just add in the pecans, about 3/4 cup of half pecans, and then we just kind of toss that all together, mix that. Get that well combined and ready for the dressing. So now let's put together the dressing ingredients. So I use my blender, and I'm going to add 1 cup of blueberries. These are frozen thawed blueberries. You can use fresh, or you can use raspberries if you like to have a raspberry vinaigrette. This is a vinaigrette. This is 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to throw those in. Now I've got dates. In the recipe it calls for 3 or 4 dates, but these are smaller than the dates that you might find at the store mid-jewel, so I'm going to use 5, but these are pitted dates and they go in as well. And then I like to add just a tiny bit of onion powder and a little bit of black pepper. And then I'm going to put that on the blender, and we're just going to puree that until it's completely smooth. And now we're ready with the dressing. And I'm going to just drizzle this over the salad and then toss the salad. A wonderful, extremely nutritious salad for you. The spinach, of course, is the deep green. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants. The onion and apple are both prebiotic and very, very healthy. This is a wonderful salad for nutrition. And we're just going to toss that salad and enjoy it for our lunch today. Hope you enjoyed the video and getting some of these wonderful vegetables into your own diet.